Hi. Today we will talk about a business idea like painting a car. A very interesting business if you are with your hands. There are a lot of cars in our world, and they all need painting. This is a great idea to make money. So, let's begin. Choice of premises. Car painting service needs a room. It can be any garage space, rented or purchased. The purchase of a hood or ventilation is a must. Also, it is necessary to provide good lighting. It is recommended to install fluorescent lamps. You also need to agree on all this with the landlord about the possibility of connecting a more powerful power supply. An air duct and a heat gun with heating elements must be installed at the top of the room. The floor of the room should be raised to install a fan that sucks air from the chamber. Infrared lamps can be installed to speed up the drying process. What equipment to choose? Tools for surface grinding, equipment for dust removal, compressor, infrared emitter. Painting hydrant, painting and drying chamber, paint sprayer. Painting cost. To set a price for this service, you need to research your competitors. During one working day, 4 cars can be painted in one chamber. Of course, it all depends on the skill of your staff and the way the air is heated. If you use a ventilated dryer at temperatures up to 90 degrees, then you can service no more than 2 cars. Using an infrared dryer will allow you to service 2 to 3 cars. Attraction of clients. And your first clients will be your friends, acquaintances or friends of friends. Next, you may want to consider renting your camera out to solo masters who can make up 60 to 70% of your clientele. Those wishing to use the services of your service can also become workers of auto repair shops who want to earn extra money on the side. You can also establish contact with the foreman, who will refer customers to you. In the initial stages, do not give up advertising services, as this is a very important marketing ploy. But at the same time, remember the golden rule: the most effective advertising is the quality of the work performed. Business success will be ensured if your customers are satisfied. The main stages of organizing a car painting business. The first thing that the future owner of a car paint brushes should do is to study the market situation in this area of activity in his region. It makes no sense to open a vehicle painting shop if there are several companies operating in the city that fully satisfy the demand for these services. But if you are convinced that the commercial project in question has real prospects, then you can start solving the following issues: prepare a business plan, register a company, find premises, buy equipment and recruit staff, open a bank account, organize an advertising campaign, sign contracts for garbage collection, etc. Car painting technology and the stages of painting a car. 1. Removal of rust, dirt and dust. 2. Carrying out priming. 3. Implementation of grinding and preparation of the surface for painting. 4. Applying paint. 5. When the surface dries, a clear varnish is applied to it and re-drying is carried out. 6. The final touch is the polishing of the painted surface.